In this video, guys, we're going to look at the differences between the Hero 7 and the Hero 6. I'm going to shoot a first bit of the vlog on the 7. You'll see a little white line above the cinematic lines where my boy's on the bike, which changes to a normal camera. And then we go into using the Hero 6 at night. So let's quickly dive in and see how we got on. Right guys, today we are doing a different type of vlog. We're going to use the GoPro 7 and the 6. I only had the 7 for a very short period of time, so I want to know if you can tell the difference within the footage. Now, the way I'm doing my vlog, I like to do it a certain way. And I haven't seen vlogs done my way, what I like on a GoPro. So I figured I'd do a whole vlog on a GoPro. Let's see how it turns out. You think Daddy should have a shave?
No.
You don't want me to have a shave?
No.
I need one. What do you think?
You need a haircut.
Much better. Oh dear. Next. Careful. In. Where are we going? We're going to see some doggies. Stay. Okay, come and have a look at some doggies. Come to have a look at some doggies. They're having an open day, so we figured we'd come and have a look and give them some more money. It's quite busy. There's quite a few people here. Mostly older folk. It's the highlight of the week, right?
Oh, that's true, are they?
Looks like you're double, Max. No, yeah. You're marking your area. Are you marking your area? Vinny, look at this. What's going on? What's going on? Come on. Come on.
Can you have one, please?
You puppies. You puppies.
Oh yeah, they have a treat. Look, there's Max's sister over there. Look, she's here.
You puppies.
Max's sister.
Nice cherry cake. Cup of tea. Did you enjoy yourself? My face like a slapped arse.
Can't swear.
I don't like being on camera at all. So that's our good deed done for the week, innit? You said.
Yeah.
For the year in her case, not for me. Well, we like to give to them because it's obviously dogs charity. It's our preferred charity. And any donations help them, so it's a small charity, local. And that's where we got Max from, our dog. Sometimes wonder if it was the right choice.
Oh, no.
Well, out you get.
I was asleep.
He wasn't asleep. Come on, you're matching, look. So we've managed to get back home, and the first thing he's asked for is his balance bike. So I figured I'd take this opportunity and shoot some more on the GoPro. Yeah! Exciting times. We're just off to see the light switch on for Christmas. Christmas light switched on in the marketplace. I'm wearing my hat because my head's cold. You're all wrapped up, aren't you, mate? We've got you another coat to put on after we get out the car, because that coat doesn't fit in the car. You know, if you've got kids, you'll know what I mean. You can't fit them in the car seat with certain coats. Let's go see some fireworks. Oh, by the way, a lot of this footage. Are you going to see some more fireworks? No. We'll pick Mummy up on the way. Don't worry. We'll call in and pick Mummy up. A lot of these shots will be shot on GoPro because I don't really want to take this big, bulky, heavy, easy, thievable camera into a big crowd. So I won't be taking this camera. Just so you know. Let's go. I'm really not sure how well this is going to come out, you know. Got my hat on because my head's cold. We've got you and we've picked Mummy up. She's scranning a chocolate bar.
You should really be crossing where it's safe.
Are you going to go on it?
No, we're not going to go on it.
Are you going to go on it? See all this? Look at that face. Yummy.
We're going to have to move over there as we're not going to see the fireworks.
I know.
You okay? Oh, good to see so many of you out here.
It's brilliant, there's not a space anywhere.
There isn't. It's absolutely packed. Yeah, we've had to bring Barbie up here as well. He's still not letting go of his space. He's loving that.
It's a bit crowded, isn't it?
To do this evening. Right.
Oh, fireworks, is it? I've always liked.
It's going to be lights.
You watching? You want some crisps? Crisps.
You just dropped a load on the floor.
I'm looking over there. What's he got? Don't worry. At the moment, he's going through YouTube. Right, and he's going to find a dodgy mix or something, aren't you?
Whinging, aren't you?
Yeah,
eh? Whinging. Get you to bed. Get you some tea. Huh?
I don't want to go to bed.
Right, guys. In my opinion, if you've got the 6, you don't need to get the 7. Depending on your situation. I've used this for vlogs. I've used a 6 and a 7. I've compared them up for vlogs. Now, for me, because I don't really do extreme sports, I mean, look at me, it's not worth me getting the 7 over the 6. I mean, to be fair, for the price of them, there's a lot better cameras out there that you can use anyway. I found that the sound quality wasn't great, the image wasn't great. The only really good thing on the camera, the difference I noticed, was the hyper smooth, but I wasn't doing the activities for that. So what I'm trying to say to you is, if you've got the 6, don't get the 7. It's a waste of money. Save you money. Sorry GoPro, but you didn't send me one for free. I borrowed the 7 off a friend for a day. Thank you very much. The GoPro 6 seemed to work quite well at night. So again guys, if you're thinking about getting a GoPro, just go for the 6. Don't bother wasting your money on 7 because there's not a lot of difference. It's just the hyper smooth in my eyes. So I hope this helps you or gives you some sort of inclination. If you are a vlogger and you're thinking about getting a GoPro, if you're a sports nut or junkie, then maybe getting the 7's worthwhile for the hyper smooth. But for an average vlogger. Anyway guys, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.